Imagine waking up not on Earth but on Mars. You look out your window, and everything is red. Dust storms swirl. The sky is a faded orange, and gravity feels different. This isn't science fiction anymore. NASA, SpaceX, and other agencies are actively preparing to send humans to Mars within our lifetime. But what would actually happen if humans lived there? Let's break down everything, from food and oxygen to gravity, radiation, and the future of colonization. Welcome to Science Drags. Just getting to Mars is a massive challenge. The journey would take anywhere from 6 to 9 months. You're in deep space for nearly a year with no turning back. Astronauts would face isolation, limited supplies, and the psychological pressure of knowing there's no rescue mission. It's survival, before even landing. Mars has only 38% of Earth's gravity. That means if you weigh 150 pounds here, you'd weigh just 57 pounds on Mars. Cool, right? Well, not exactly. Over time, low gravity weakens muscles and bones. Your heart doesn't work as hard, your body starts to shrink, literally. Astronauts on the ES already experience this in microgravity, and they have to exercise 2 hours a day just to stay healthy. On Mars it'll be similar. Earth has something Mars doesn't: a magnetic field. It protects us from harmful solar radiation and cosmic rays. On Mars, there's no such protection. Radiation levels are far higher, and could increase cancer risk or damage DNA over long exposure. This means Martian habitats will need shielding, underground bunkers, thick walls, or even regolith Martian soil used as protection. Mars's atmosphere is 100 times thinner than Earth's, and it's mostly carbon dioxide, about 95% CO. There's barely any oxygen, so humans can't breathe the air at all. Every person will need a pressurized suit and a constant oxygen supply. Stepping outside without one, you'd lose consciousness in seconds. Living there requires fully sealed habitats and life support systems 24/7. Water is one of the biggest survival needs. And luckily, Mars does have water, frozen underground and at the poles. Scientists plan to extract this ice and purify it. Some futuristic plans involve mining the soil to release trapped moisture. Every drop of water will be recycled and reused, just like astronauts do on the ISS today, even turning urine back into clean drinking water. There are no farms on Mars, no soil as we know it, and no rain. So how do you grow food? The answer is hydroponics, plants grown in water with nutrients under artificial light. There's also work being done to modify Martian soil, filtering out toxic chemicals and turning it into something that can support plant life. But that's still experimental. Until then, food will be grown indoors using recycled water and advanced farming tech. So what does a day on Mars look like? Martian days, or just a little longer than Earth, 24 hours and 39 minutes. That's manageable. Colonists will live in tight, pressurized habitats. Every outing requires a spacesuit. Work may include maintenance, farming, research, and exploration. There's no Wi-Fi, no fast communication. It takes 15-20 minutes for signals to reach Earth. So forget live Zoom calls. Conversations are delayed. What if we could make Mars more like Earth? That's the dream of terraforming. Ideas include releasing greenhouse gases to warm the planet or building giant mirrors to reflect sunlight. Some even imagine seeding Mars with engineered microbes to generate oxygen, but we're nowhere close to making that happen. Terraforming Mars might take centuries, if it's even possible. Living on Mars also means dealing with isolation, distance from Earth, and small crew dynamics. Mental health will be critical, just like Antarctic researchers or submarine crews. Martian colonists will need training in conflict resolution, teamwork, and emotional resilience. Support systems will include virtual reality, delayed messages from Earth, and maybe even therapy bots. NASA, SpaceX, and other agencies are already planning test missions and habitat modules. Elon Musk wants to send the first humans within the next decade. Robots will likely go first, building shelters, growing food, and preparing for human arrival. The first crews will be pioneers, risking everything for a chance to build a new world. Living on Mars would be the ultimate test of human survival, science, and adaptation. It would change what it means to be human. We're not there yet, but we're getting closer every year. If you're excited by the future of humanity beyond Earth, subscribe to Science Drags. We're bringing space, science, and imagination down to Earth, one video at a time.